In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in a Hootsuite post and schedule it. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Hootsuite and heading to the Composer, where you create a new post. This is your workspace for everything you're about to do. If you don't see it right away, look for the option to create or compose a post. Once you're there, you'll have a clean canvas to work with. Next, choose the social account where you want this post to appear. You can select one profile or multiple, depending on your plan and your goal. Keep in mind, tagging behaves a little differently across networks. Mentions generally work on the major platforms, but suggestions may vary. If you're posting to more than one network, you'll want to keep an eye on how the tag looks in each preview. Now write your caption. Keep it clear and on brand. If you're announcing something, lead with the most important detail. If you're aiming for engagement, a simple prompt or call to action can help. Stay concise, but make sure the message can stand on its own, even with the tag included. Read it once for tone and once for clarity to avoid last-minute edits later. When you're ready to tag, type the @ symbol and start entering the person or business name exactly as you expect it to appear. Hootsuite will surface suggestions as you type. Go slowly here and watch for spelling. Even a small typo can change the results you see. From the list of suggestions, choose the correct account. Double-check the handle, profile image, and any verification badge to make sure you're tagging the right profile, not a fan page or a similarly named account. If suggestions feel crowded, type a few more characters to narrow the list. It's worth taking an extra second now to avoid mistagging. Before you publish, review the tag in the post preview. Look for the mention to appear as a clickable handle. If you selected multiple social profiles, cycle through their previews to confirm the tag looks right everywhere. This is also a good time to proofread the caption one last time. When everything looks good, decide whether to schedule or publish. If timing matters, choose a date and time that aligns with your audience's activity and confirm the time zone. Otherwise, go ahead and publish now. That's it. Your post is ready, properly tagged, and on schedule.